What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Kelly Tech. Every once in a while, you got to get away from the tech, enjoy life a little bit. So this week, I rented a little cottage up north Michigan. Nice little place. So no video today, except for this. Just gonna show you guys where I'm staying. It's pretty cool. Little screened in room so the mosquitoes don't get you at night. You got a little grow room over there. It's pretty nice. Nice big area on the water. See, you guys got to do this every once in a while. Got to put down the game, put down the PC, put down the Android device, you know? Enjoy life a little bit. So we're about to go kayaking here pretty soon. Yep. And I can't swim a lick. So I will be using the life jackets. But yeah, nice place. Had a great time at the fire pit last night. Little garden. Some little tiny apple trees. Just, I love the wilderness every once in a while. I used to live in the country, but I grew out of it. And it's kind of funny because this trail, I mean, it goes on for a while, but as soon as you're out of this trail, you're like smack dab in the city. So this is the coolest rental ever. You're like, it feels like you're smack dab in the middle of the country, but you're really not. And Michigan up north, it's a little different. Like if you go to West Virginia or something like that, you're gonna get poisonous snakes and, you know, things that can hurt you. Out here, I'm not up 100% positive, but it's pretty much just gardener snakes. I mean, they can't really hurt you. I think there is a Michigan rattler, so I'm not sure. Yeah, whoever knows, put that down in the comments. But look at this rental, guys. This is the coolest freaking place. Well, yeah, when I rented the place, the guy, I think he used a fogger, because we didn't get one mosquito bite. And I mean, I know it's not gorgeous, but a little resting spot right there. And I mean, this is some low-tech stuff, but there's the bathroom. It's got the stink pipe and everything. Old school. I'm not even opening that. That's probably scary in there. Kind of neat though. Lots of eagles out here. I'm hoping to hear some screeching so I can get you a view of them, because they are everywhere. I've never seen so many eagles. They must be nested up real close. The air is even better, guys. You know, I thought it was going to be worse because of the Canada fires, but it is not. I'm gonna take a shortcut. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys can, holy moly. I don't know if you can see that, but there's like thousands of ant hills. Holy moly. So yeah, lots of ants. Holy moly, I've never seen this many ant hills. This is pretty cool. You can hook this to your ride, throw some canoes on it, go upstream. Pretty neat. This guy, I swear, included everything. I brought a bunch of food and stuff, and there was no need. It was loaded with food. The only thing I had to really bring was clothes. Not too long ago, we went up to West Virginia. What's it called? Chief Logan State Park. And we stayed at the lodge there. And You talk about beautiful. The mountainside, all the little critters, the birds, just everything was so beautiful. But you gotta watch out for the snakes. They will kill you. If you can't tell, I'm scared of snakes a little bit. All you reptile lovers, you're crazy. No, I grew up with them things, man. Popular tree around here is the pine tree. The cabin we're staying at is just all wood. Everything's wood. It's crazy. It's actually really nice on the inside though. But you can see the gate right there. And that's the main road. So that was a pretty good walk. So that's it. Let's go take a look at the water. Nice. Look at this, guys. Just relaxing. Don't get to do it very often. So, thanks for tuning in, guys. And as a hardly never, have a relaxed day.